Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to bold text in Microsoft Word. So firstly select your text to make bold like this one. So bold it. So select it. Then here you have to click on this bold. So we can see we can bold text in Word. And also guys, you can use a shortcut. Just select your text and press CTRL+B. So this way you can bold your text. You want to bold this all text. So select all by pressing CTRL+A and press CTRL+B. That's it. So this way you can bold all text. And you want to make normal text again. So select and again click on this one. So this is the normal text. So thanks for watching.